Welcome to Hampton Court, home of the Hampton Court Palace, King Henry VIII's home. In this video, I'll head down to London Waterloo on Southwestern's semi-fast service. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. And welcome to Hampton Court Station. Hampton Court is the terminus station of this small branch on the edge of Surrey. Hampton Court Station is a small station, featuring only a ticket office and a coffee shop. The station also features some toilets. Now it's time for me to scan my ticket in order to head out on the platform. And this is my train for today, consisting of two Class 450 Desaro UKs operating for Southwestern Railway. These trains were built by Siemens in order to run on the 750 volt DC network in southwest England. Since Hampton Court only has two platforms, my train will depart from platform 2 at 6:05 PM to London Waterloo. And the train from platform 1 departs, also bound for London Waterloo, but this train is running the slow service, not the semi-fast service that my train will be running. A cool sight at this station is the picturesque view of the River Ember running underneath the platforms. And it's time to board the train. Unlike most train doors, you have to push on the button for a few seconds in order for the train doors to open. And welcome on board. The interior of this train looks really nice, and the ambience is perfect, not too bright and not too dark. And now it's time for the seat review. I expected the seats on the train to be hard due to this train being a high-capacity passenger train, not an express train. The legroom is decent, but I wouldn't say so for tall people. There's a tray table, but it's really small. Probably can only hold a few drinks. For each pair of seats, there's a British 3-pin power socket. And surprisingly, the seats have no armrests. Walking throughout the train has a 3x2 seating layout, which makes the aisles a little bit narrow. And there are also luggage racks above each seat. And the train leaves on time. And here's the train journey for today. The train will stop at Surbiton, Wimbledon, Earlsfield, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and Waterloo, the final destination. Shortly after departure, the train passes the only other station on this small branch, Thames Ditton. And now the train is joining the Southwestern main line. Now it's time to explore the rest of the train. In the middle of the train, there's a wheelchair area and a disabled toilet. And also, first class is located at the ends of each train. This first class area is stylish and the seats actually feature armrests, but they're not comfortable, they're the same hardness as the other seats. The first class area also features tables with wireless charging ports. And now time to show you something cool. Because this train is formed of 8 carriages, you can literally walk between the trains. Yes, that's right. These trains have gangways in order to ensure that passengers can walk from one unit to the other. And this door leads to the next unit. And it's time to head back to my seat because the train will be arriving at the first stop for today, which is Surbiton. And now it's time to leave Surbiton. Enjoying the video? Click subscribe to support my channel and for more videos like this. Seeing a London tram, this means the train is now arriving at the next stop. And welcome to Wimbledon train station. Wimbledon is an interchange station in the centre of Wimbledon for the London Underground, London Trams and Southwestern railway services. Does anyone know what this building was used for? Let me know in the comment section below. Right now, the train is passing the Wimbledon train care depot. The depot is one of the busiest in the country. The train parked up here is one of Southwestern's brand new Class 701 Arterios, used for suburban services around London. And after a quick stop at Earlsfield, the train arrives at Clapham Junction, the busiest station in Europe. Clapham Junction serves Southwestern Railway and Southern services from London Victoria and Waterloo. And it's time to leave on the final stretch, calling at Vauxhall and Waterloo only. And the train now leaves Clapham Junction. The sight of these buildings indicate the train is pulling into Vauxhall. And welcome to Vauxhall train station. Vauxhall is another big interchange with the London Underground. After Vauxhall, the train heads for a few minutes to Waterloo. Now, it's time to tell you how much this journey cost. This journey only costs £9.40 for one way to Waterloo. And finally, the train arrives at London Waterloo. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.